from the station that's on your side. Awarded the Regional Edward R. Murrow Award for Newscast Excellence. This is Channel 7 News at 6.
A unique partnership between Baptist Health and the Little Rock School District is hoping to inspire a whole new crop of future medical professionals. In tonight's Health Check report, we visit the class to see what it's all about.
The Little Rock School District Excel program is geared for juniors and seniors interested in the medical field. Unlike a traditional class, students come to Baptist Health to learn.
We provide the classroom space, we provide instructors, we let them do rotations through different areas. We let them experience real world, like what it's like to be in the healthcare system.
The program has been in existence for about 2 years, and students come from all of the district's 5 high schools.
We teach them medical terminology, and we also teach them clinical skills. And then during the second semester, we send them out on internships.
The students receive certifications and go on field trips to get hands-on experience. On the day we visited, they were learning all about phlebotomy.
They're talking about the different blood types and what is compatible with one another. They're learning how to draw blood, as you can see.
This unique class allows them to explore different careers with access to Baptist Health nurses and healthcare professionals.
Because you kind of see different professionals and how they're dressed or how they act, and it kind of shows us like how we're supposed to act in our workplace.
Students like Kayla Wills, a recent Parkview graduate, will have a leg up as she goes to college. Exciting not only to her, but also to hospital administrators who hope to someday hire these very students to work for Baptist Health.
And the sooner that we can get to the high school kids to get them interested in the healthcare field, the sooner maybe we can recruit them.
This program will have a whole new group of students this fall. In the meantime, Kayla says she plans to either become a physical therapist or a labor and delivery nurse.